Hey everyone, this is Serge with your Microcontroller Minutes. This is part 9 of the KEYESTUDIO 37-in-1 sensor kit, the vibration switch module. I'll use the Fritzing software to show you how to connect everything, so here's what you'll need. An Arduino microcontroller, preferably the UNO version or similar, a 400 tie point breadboard, a USB cable, the vibration switch and rgbLED module from the 37-in-1 sensor kit, and 5 to 12 jumper wires. Place the vibration switch module on the breadboard towards the top, then place the rgbLED module on the breadboard towards the bottom. For the vibration switch, connect the pin labeled S to digital pin 13, connect the middle pin to 5 volts, then connect the pin labeled minus to ground. For the rgbLED module, connect the pin labeled G to digital pin 2, then connect the pin labeled minus to ground. Now here is what it looks like in the real world. Grab the USB cable, connect it to the Arduino, and then connect to your computer. We'll use the Arduino IDE software for programming the Arduino UNO. Open the IDE, go to Tools, then Boards, then Arduino AVR boards, then select your Arduino UNO. Then go to Tools again, then Port, then select the serial port where your Arduino is connected. Upload the following 18 lines of code. Tilt the platform to about 45 degrees from the table and let it drop. This drop will vibrate the sensor into activating. The vibration switch contains a metallic coil that bends and flexes when a strong vibration occurs. When the coil bends, it makes contact with a thin metal plate and closes the circuit. This allows for a change in voltage, which is what we are looking for. This change triggers the LED, letting us know the vibration switch has been activated. Try modifying the code. Add a for loop to the section of code that triggers the LED to flash multiple times to get our attention and see what happens. Once you get the hang of it, come back and join us for the next module.